Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to one and all, and I would like to welcome everyone to Tierra Alta. Today is a very special day for all of us because we are all here gathered, members of the family, closest of friends, love and friendship with our beloved birthday celebrator. I know that we are all very excited to welcome the star of the night, but prior to her grand entrance, allow me please to give special acknowledgement to the members of the family. Let's start it off with the first child. We have Kim Fen Nam together with spouse April Gold Nam and Celia Shrel Nam and Gideon Braille Nam. Let's give the family a round of applause, please. Kim Fen, April Gold, Celia and Gideon, thank you very much. And as we continue with our entrances, let us now have Yi Shen Chuang. They deserve another hand from everyone, Yi Shen and Kyle. Beautiful pair we have tonight, and we are ready to continue. Taeyang and Kaden, KL Na. Thanks to the serves, another hand from everybody. Thank you very much. As we continue with our one more time, can you please give another round of applause to the members of the family. The star of the night, so beautiful at 60, Naji Zuniga. Now, let's get loud. This is a celebration of love, a celebration of life. Naji at 60. For her, one more time, Mom King at 60. Ladies and gentlemen, Naji at 60. She's just so gorgeous and so lovely. And let's stop the music for a while because a special bouquet of flowers is just so perfect for a lovely queen. Coming from happy birthday! And sir, stay where you're standing because I will be requesting the members of the family, the children and the in-laws and the apos to please proceed on stage as well. Can I request all the members of the family to please be on stage and requesting everyone to please remain standing because it is just but perfect that we need to acknowledge our birthday celebrator by singing this birthday song only and just for her. we please gather our voices together and let us play that birthday song from Ma'am Gay. Sir, birthday song please.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, louder and faster please.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday music for a while. And before you blow the candle, make a wish in silence for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones, for everybody who loves you. And I'm inviting everybody to kindly do the same. In silence, let us whisper all the best for the birthday celebrator. Ma'am, on your cue, you may blow your candle. Happy birthday, and may your wish and all our wishes be granted. Wishing you all the best that this life in this world has to offer. One more time, loudest applause for our birthday celebrator. Thank you so much, Mom. And as mentioned earlier, today is not just the birthday celebration of our beloved Ma'am King, but at the same time, we are also celebrating the birthday of Yishen. We have a cake for you, and can we sing the birthday song one more time?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
And a special bouquet of flowers coming from the good-looking husband of the good-looking birthday celebrator. Happy birthday. And kiss, please. Kiss. Kiss. 1, 2, 3. Kiss. Kiss. Yes. From everybody, thank you very much. Happy birthday to our two birthday celebrators. And may your wish and all our wishes be granted. Let's give the family once again another round of applause. Thank you very much. And everyone, you may now go back to your respective seats. But to our beautiful birthday celebrator on stage, the rest of the members, please be seated. Thank you.
His birthday celebration. So wala pa kayo na ako dahil ako ni granddaughter ni Maggie as of now. I'm sa year amado na, ako mo nakakunin. So karon man ako kabalo sa isang tik, ipakalat naman yun. Pero naado ko explain kay na, sa akong dyan lang ni kumala. Ikalit naman ko ni gingnan sa akong buhapa na nila. Lisod na yung good siya, balibaran kay
Magabi ka na itong tanan. Proud kayo ko na kanang kagabyo na nagihatagan ko. Patindog sa akong anak na murag dilita ko ang ngayon na mubaro kay kanang kaulaw, pero salamat kayo ning kagabyo nga niya karon nakakahiusa sa paggoyog sa iyang kalipay. Mga bisita, mga dumudoong, mga pamilya, mga kaparintihan, daghang salamat nga naabot na gyud ang akong mga pangandoy nga mga kita nako nga siya usa na ka senior citizen. Salamat ako. Salamat sa akong pagkamama nga gihatag ko niya ang iyang kabuo Itong December 5, nag-celebrate ko nga, kinaugalingon akong gibuhat kay tungod. Anak na ko siya nga, pangayo sa Ginoo nga, makaanak kong buotan noon ni Ron nga, naabot sa akong tinabuhi. Masunod na kay siya pagka senior citizen sa man ako. O sa iyang kinabuhi, nakapartner siya o responsible nga partner nga din amo ni siya na ibalag sa among pagpanaw nga namang palag ni sa kanya atong panahon. Nakita na ko akong mga apo o nag-abot ko nga naisungkod o karon ang akong ipabot tuhod. Mao ni si Saibia, ako ninyo.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Mayong gabi ka natong tanan. Ako, anang gabi, gikatan ko ni sweetheart nga. Lula, usa ka sa kando ni mami niya. Kinahanglan mo hatag ko kag speech. Mga 1 to 3 minutes. Iko, hala sweet, maulaw ra ba dyan kung musultis kadaganan kay kini wala ka naanad ba? Diya, Lula, ikaw man good mo close ni mami. Nakabalo ka kung sa iyong story kanihan to. So, Ging, happy birthday. Anaylan.
Sa wala na kailan, no? Usa ko sa PFF ni Mads Ging sa Giwunan. Sige, Mikita. Actually, nalingon na niya siya ko mag-candle ko pero maghatag ay kong speech ka. So actually, Mads, ganina kadlaw na dyan ko gahimo niya akong speech. Allow me to read my speech. Okay. Gikan pa dyan taon ni Gawatch o Kuan. Gilibrihan ko niya o air supply. Thank you, Mads. Joke lang. Okay, Mads, kudos Mads on your 60th birthday. Your second citizenship has arrived, giving you the sense of entitlement for discount and other privilege. Kay, masige mag-unig ko mi ha. Sige yung ikaw ni Mads Ging. Sige may hangyo, may negosyante, kining duha. Okay, sige hangyo karon, morag. Ako na lang, Joy, masig hangyo animas kay automatic naman yun ka.
Maayong gabi sa tanan. Happy birthday, Ging. Purigo ko parang hanay ang akong pag-istorya. In behalf of all the midwives, Batch 83, thank you for inviting us, for being a part of your happiest, merriest, and unforgettable 60th birthday. All of us know that you have been blessed. Looking back ha, 59 years, gikan paging sa imong pagkahimugso. All your struggles, your ups and downs, you won. You have overcome because here you are. Here we are, celebrating your 60th birthday.
Wow, maayong gabi ka natong tanan. Wow, Ging, 60 na yun. But honestly, what you ka nagkabaka yun, fresh and young. So happy birthday, Ging. I'm really proud and honored nga. Even though layo tang duha, by the way, si Ging Di is the mother of Yishen. And Yishen is the classmate of my daughter, Kay. So, sa high school sila sa Siniman. So, classmate sila. Until na mga babes bili sila. So, kami ni Ging. So, layo na siya. Kaya gihungan man siya. Ako na rin sa Dumaguete. But, I thank and praise the Lord sa iyang life. Nakita na ko that the Lord really is in the life of Ging. No? So makita na ko, although social media, naging may nagkauban-kauban. No? Thanks na natay social media karon. So nakita na ko how the Lord blessed her life. And makita
May gabi sa tanan. Sis, senior na yun ka. Dual citizenship or
tripod. Release line ko eh. Don't worry. Happy birthday, sis. Sis, I wish that you are blessed with all the happiness, health, joy, and prosperity in life with the family. Your birthday is as special as you are. On your special day, I just want to know how much you are loves us. I am constantly in awe of how lucky I am to have you as my sister. As we mark this special day, my wish also and pray nga mo daog ta. This coming election, kay ako mangguli siya iaghat. Last term manggod ko, then ko nang pwede ka o akong siya mo padayon. Kaya ningon ako niyang ang serbisyo na akong nasugdan, ipadayon ni maipadayon or palapda ni ng tataging. Ako lang gidala ang tata, kay ako may ilado, soging. So,
good evening, everyone. To the best 60-year-old ever, happy birthday. I still can recall how we started our friendship, maybe 22 years ago in Gilgan City. I just want to say thank you for being such an amazing and sweet friend to me, to all the phases and seasons of my life. And I know that I should be proud of you for what you become now as a loving wife, a very caring mother, and of course, a spoiler lola to your apos.
They will be joining you for a picture taking. Then after your name is called, you have to come over, strike a pose, picture taking, then please proceed to that telephone booth over there and kindly give and leave a greeting/message to the birthday celebrant. First we have Pasita Noike. Come over please. Can we have Mirla Arias? Sherry Nacional. Mirla, proceed to the telephone booth, please. You're done. Thank you. Amelie Lasaka. Queenie Pasigna. Mary Jane Torres. Presley De Baguio. Lilian Villar. Suzette Lopez. Dinah Beth Iguogan. Cleofa Mendoza. Flores. Once again, we are extending to all of you for having shared your friendship, your camaraderie, and your love to our birthday celebrant.